Discover comfort and elegance at Albany Hotel, Edinburgh. Nestled in the heart of Edinburgh, the Albany Hotel offers a perfect blend of comfort and elegance, making it an ideal choice for both leisure and business travelers. With a recent renovation completed in 2025, this charming hotel boasts modern amenities while retaining its classic Scottish charm. Guests can enjoy the convenience of checking in from 2 p.m. and must check out by 11 a.m., ensuring a seamless experience during their stay. The Albany Hotel features 42 beautifully appointed rooms, each designed to provide a serene retreat after a day of exploring the historic city. Please note that the hotel maintains a child policy where children are not permitted to stay free of charge, and additional fees may apply. Whether you're visiting for a weekend getaway or an extended stay, Albany Hotel promises to deliver an unforgettable experience in Edinburgh's vibrant atmosphere. Convenience facilities at Albany HotelAt Albany Hotel in Edinburgh. Convenience is at the forefront of your stay. Guests can stay seamlessly connected with complimentary Wi-Fi available in all rooms, ensuring that whether you're catching up on emails or sharing your latest travel adventures on social media, you can do so with ease. Furthermore, the hotel offers Wi-Fi in public areas, allowing you to browse the web or plan your next sightseeing adventure while enjoying a moment in the inviting communal spaces.